guys, it's Mimi here and welcome to Geeklightful. It's been so long since I've had the time to make a video for you guys, but today I have a really cute one for you because I will be opening all of these gorgeous tiny miniatures that are called Re-Ments, and they're called Re-Ments because of the company that makes them, which is Re-Ment, and it's actually a Japanese company. So my brother and my sister-in-law brought me back all these boxes directly from Japan. Also, at the very end of this video, there will be a bonus opening of this capsule toy, and from what I see here, it's gonna be super adorable, so make sure you stay tuned till the end. So I won't make you wait any longer, let's just open them together. So first, I've got this super cute Sumikko Gurashi Terrarium-Re-Ment, and they look so adorable. I can't wait to see what I get in this box. Here we go. Oh, I think we got a water one. I'm so happy with this, guys. Now let's cut this open like this. I'm gonna open the little box here so we can put everything in it as we go. So first of all, we have kind of the bottom of the sea, which is very detailed and very cute. There's even a tiny bit of land here. So let's put this in. Then we have the water. I love this, and all of the bubbles and the details is gonna go right on top of the land. Here we go. And then we have the Loch Ness monster. Super friendly monster. Doesn't look scary at all. And this one will go right here, and he's looking back at the tiny dino that's gonna go on his back. Here we have the little dinosaur, those tiny accessories. Look at this tiny tapioca character. He's so cute. He's gonna be swimming next to the monster right here. Oh my word, look at this. He's so tiny and cute. And finally, the little dino on his back. And here is the second Sumikko Gurashi terrarium, so I wonder which one it will be. Let's see. Oh, this looks so cute. Oh my goodness. It has my favorite characters. I love the idea of having a terrarium in a tiny jar. So let's see. So this is a jar, and it's so cute. It's exactly like something you would put cookies in your kitchen. And now here's everything that's gonna go inside. So we're gonna start with the face. So as you can see, the dirt is super detailed, and then you have a patch of grass on top. We have the tiny tree. It's gonna go right here, and then we have this character which is called Tonkatsu. He's actually kind of like the end of a pork cutlet called a Tonkatsu. I really like this character, and I talked more about him in my Sumikko Gurashi Re-Ment kit, so I guess he goes here. So here's the tiny swing. This is so cute. And finally, his tiny friend Tempura, and I actually have a plush of this little guy, and I showed it to you guys in my Otakutan haul. And you even have this tiny birdie. So the little bird goes right on top of the branch, and Ebi the tempura shrimp goes on the swing. Oh my gosh, look at this. He's pushing the swing for his tiny friend. Let's see what it looks like in the jar. So here it is in the jar. I'm so happy about this one. It's so cute. And now I'm gonna open this super cute Kirby collection. And as you can see, they all look so adorable, and I'm so excited to see which one I get. I really wish I get this one, but I'm gonna be so happy with any of them. Oh my word! It's so huge! Oh my goodness! It's Kirby with a huge cookie! This is way too adorable. Okay, let's open this. Oh my gosh! Look at all the details. There's all his little tiny bites here, and he even has some frosting or ice cream on the side of his mouth. We even have some clouds. It almost looks like cotton candy. This is amazing. So we're going to open the next one. So let's open it. Let's see what's inside. Oh my word, we got the huge ice cream ball. It's got a flan on top. It's so cute. I'm gonna start with this ice cream bowl because we're gonna put everything in it. And next is this huge kind of, I'm not sure it's ice cream. I think it's like some strawberry mousse with some frosting and a flan on top. This is gorgeous. So here it goes. Oh my gosh, guys, look at Kirby's face. He's gonna swallow everything up. This is so cute. So he goes right here. Oh my word! The flan is even slanting towards Kirby's mouth because it's getting inhaled. This is so cute. And finally, we have some tiny details to put on. So we have this kind of cookie gate that's gonna go right here. There we go. And there's this tiny bit of whipped cream with a cherry that's gonna go right on top of the flan. Oh, even the cherry is getting inhaled. This is so cute. And now for our next Kirby box. So here is the last one. Let's see. Oh, it's the one with the donuts. Oh, this is so cute. Let's cut this up. So here's the huge plate with the lollipop in the back. And then we've got one purple donut and it looks so delicious. And one pink donut that looks just like Kirby. And here are our tiny characters that are super cute. So we have Kirby that fits right into the purple donut. You can see his tiny feet at the bottom. This is so cute. And the other cutie sitting on top of the donut. So here it is with the delicious looking donuts and Kirby. Everything is so cute. So now I also wanted to show you guys the boxes that we gave to my husband for his birthday. So this was the first one. So first of all, you get this pot that's written peanuts on it. It's super cute. And you also get the lid that goes right on top. And then you have this bottom piece in which we're gonna put this base. So here we have a part of a road with some little stairs. So this goes right here like this. Then we have these road signals that we're gonna put in the little hole right there. And we also have a tiny woodstock that's gonna sit right here. Look at how cute he is. And now we have the skateboard for Snoopy. And finally, this skateboarding Snoopy with his ears in the wind. So there's a little hole at the bottom of his feet to put the skateboard in. Just like this. So then he goes on the road skateboarding next to his friend Woodstock. And finally, we simply put the rest of the jar right on top. And now we have our tiny Snoopy environment in this kind of mason jar. Now this is the second box that my husband opened for his birthday. So first we have this container, this gorgeous patch of grass and land. So this goes in the container. And then we are adding this water part. That fits perfectly inside the land. Then we have this dock with a tiny woodstock on top. And this is gonna go right here. So this is how it fits on the land and in the water. And last but not least, we have this fishing Snoopy with a branch and some string to go fishing. So he sits right here and the string even has a tiny hole to go to in the water. So this is what it looks like when it's finished. And I think it's so gorgeous and cute, and it's also such a relaxing little view. It's super adorable. So thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed all of the cuteness. I do have a new tutorial coming up for you guys that I've been working on for a while. So if you don't want to miss it, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and that you click the notification bell. It should be coming up soon, although I can't tell you what soon is exactly, but yes, I really hope you're doing well, and if you'd like to tell me what you've been up to these days, you can tell me in the comment section. I love hearing about you guys. Have a wonderful day, and God bless you. Bye! So as a little bonus, I'm gonna open this gacha toy. So let's open it. look at this tiny bunny. Oh my goodness. Let's see. Oh, there's a little table here. And then we have the plate with the tiny spoon. And this super adorable bunny. And last, a piece of yellow watermelon. This tiny bunny looks like he really wants that piece of watermelon.